Hi, today I'm going to talk to you about my favourite tool in the garden, the Niwashi. I've been using my Niwashi for around 35 years now, which is a bit telling on my age, I must admit. But once I started using the Niwashi, I got rid of my little fork, my little trowel, and the Niwashi became the only instrument I used in the garden. I use it for planting all my little punnets and my bigger perennial plants. It does a lot more than it should. It's so ergonomically designed. Instead of having to push like you do with a fork or a trowel, the Niwashi comes towards you like a friend. It just works along so well and makes gardening so much easier, and it's so much quicker as well. I don't just use it for planting, I use it for all my weeding. It's just a marvel when it comes to following along the Nautica convolvulus. It's a fabulous thing. You can just follow along, gently pulling the dreaded weed out till you've got the lot. As you can see, it digs in really well, as the point is so pointy and even gets under oxalis and an awful Italian arum. It's super fast at severing weed seedlings off too, and they don't regrow. When we first started selling these, we sold them to professional gardeners, and they told us just how much time they'd saved on the gardens they'd been doing for years. They were absolutely thrilled. I just love my Niwashi, and I'm sure if you convert to it, you'll just love it too. My whole family uses it, including the husband. In fact, we have to have colour-coded Niwashi so I don't take off with his.